ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नानाच्छिद्रघटोदरस्थितमहादीपप्रभाभास्वरं ज्ञानं यस्य तु चक्षुरादिकरणद्वारा बहिस्पन्दते जानामीति तमेव भान्तमनुभात्येतत्समस्तं जगत् तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। The question was asked, how many nadis are there? What are those nadis? And what is their size? Means from where to where do they go? What are the numbers, etc., etc. So now the nadi and chakra prakranam begins. Vartika 12. Dehasya madhyamam sthanam मूलाधारमितीर्यते गुदात्तुद्व्यङ्गुलादूर्ध्वं मेढ्रात्तुद्व्यङ्गुलादधः देहस्य मध्यमं स्थानं मूलाधारमितीर्यते गुदात्तुद्व्यङ्गुलादूर्ध्वं मेढ्रात्तुद्व्यङ्गुलादधः। देहस्य मध्यमं स्थानं मूलाधारम. मूलाधार chakra, the bottommost chakra is called Mooladhara. It is in the middle of the body. Middle of the body in the sense that if you count the entire length including the legs etc., then it is in somewhere in the middle of the body. Mooladharam itiryate, it is called Mooladharam. Where is it located exactly? Gudat tu dvyangulad urdhvam, medra tu dvyangulad adha. Dvya, that word is dvya, the va ya, dvya. From the anus, it is 2 fingers above. Dvyanguli means 2 fingers. And from the medra, medra literally means male genital organ, a male or female genital organ, 2 fingers below. So, 2 fingers below the genital organ and 2 fingers above the anus is exactly where the Mooladharam. So that is where we sit actually. That is what is considered as the tailbone. You know, when we sit, the whole pressure is on that. That is Brahmapucham Pratishtha, that is the portion. So here, that's why it is called, there it is called Pratishtha, but here it is in the chakra, that is the lowest chakra. Tika. So this is all new portion. As I said, in Vedanta Granthas, this is not discussed, but here Sureshwaracharya ji has brought out. Madhyamam sthanam, madhyama deha desha. Madhyama sthanam is the middle portion. Middle of the body. तदेव विशिष्य निर्दिशते गुदात इति. So in specific, if in general it is said middle of the body, and in specific gudat urdhvam medrat adha. Gudam means payuhu, medram means shishnaha. Now this Mooladharam, how does it, what is the form or shape? So about that little more elaboration. Tasya Mooladharasya lakshanam aha. त्रिकोणोऽधोमुखाग्रश्च कन्यकायोनिसन्निभः यत्र कुण्डलिनी नाम पराशक्तिः प्रतिष्ठिता प्राणाग्निबिन्दुनादानां सवित्री सा सरस्वती त्रिकोणोऽधोमुखाग्रश्च कन्यकायोनिसन्निभः यत्र कुण्डलिनी नाम पराशक्तिः प्रतिष्ठिता प्राणाग्निबिन्दुनादानां सवित्री सा सरस्वती. This Mooladhara Chakra is Trikona Adhomukha. It is a triangular thing with the tip of the triangle down. So, inverted triangle, not triangle with the base at the bottom, triangle with the base on top and the tip down. त्रिकोण अधो मुखाग्रश्च अधो मुखाग्र कन्यका योनि सन्निभः. It is like the young girl's genital organ. Kanyaka yoni sannibha. It is like that. Kanyaka literally means unmarried woman. So that is the shape of this Mooladhara Chakra. There yatra Kundalini nama Parashakti pratisthita. There Kundalini Shakti is residing. Parashakti, highest Shakti. And that Shakti otherwise is also called Saraswati. Kundalini is otherwise called Saraswati, which is Prana Agni Bindu Nadanam Savitri, Prasavitri. It is the producer, literal meaning of Prasava means producer, generator. But here Prasavitri is also taken in the form of the one which creates the movement inside the body of prana. So when this Shakti is there, this Kundalini Shakti, then prana movement will continue. So that power is there, because of which pranas are moving. Then Agni, the digestive fire is there in the body, or the warmth of the body is because of that. So some people's body is always very cold and they always feel very hot. I mean very cold. And some people always are warm and they need fan and everything. So that is Agni. Agni is there. Then Bindu. Bindu here is, we will see in Tika, Bindu and Bindu is the sound actually in the body, unmanifest. And Nada is the manifest inside the body, manifest sound inside the body in the form of Om. So this Shakti is the Savitri of all this Kundalini. So people do sadhana for this Kundalini and all. It's there in Yoga Sutra. Actually, there is another Tika in which a lot of these things are mentioned. So if somebody wants to study more, they can always study. See the tika first here. तदेव सादृश्य उक्त्या बुद्धिम आरोहयति कन्यका इति. So by sadrishya buddhi, it is brought to our understanding. This Mooladhara, it is similar to Kanyaka Yoni. Tasya adhishthatrim devatam nam gunabhyam nirupayati. Now the adhishthatri Devi, Devata means also Devi, because Devata word is also Strilinga. With name, that Kundalini and Guna, the attributes are presented. Nirupayati, they are described. Yatra iti. Parashakti Moola Prakriti. So that is the Moola Prakriti. Sa tatra sthita Sarpa Kundalakara. Kundalini, because it is staying in the Kundalini. So, in Ramakrishna Mission logo, the Sarpa Kundala is also there, if you notice. I don't know if you have seen properly Ramakrishna Mission. Right. So Swami Vivekananda ji, when he described the logo, he designed it and he gave it to the Swami Brahmanand ji at that time, who became the head then. So Vivekananda ji was head, and then he sent the picture to Brahmanand ji, and then they approved all those things. Approved means there was nothing approved. Whatever Swami Vivekananda ji said was the final word. So he has put all 4 yogas in, like Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, etc. And this is the Ashtanga Yoga, or where the chakra and kundalini, etc., that jnanam he has presented. So Sarpa Kundalakara. And they say this Kundalini is not Jagrat in Mooladhara. When it becomes Jagrat, then it goes up in the other chakras. Kundalini Sangnita Paratma Tejasa Deepta Sati Pranadinam Savitri Prasavitri. This Sarpa Kundala Akara, it is like a snake coiled in the coiled form, but it has the brilliance of Paramatma. Paratma Tejasa Deepta Sati, and because of that alone, it is able to produce the Prana, Agni, Bindu, Nada and sustain them, move them in the body as needed. Pranaha, so what are those now? Prana, Agni, Bindu, Nada, they are explained. Pranaha Panchavrittiko Dehanta Sanchari Vayu Vishesha. This is Pancha Prana. So their origin or their power is coming from Kundalini. Vayu Vishesha. Agni, what is Agni? Kosthagata Ushma Rupaha Anna Rasadinam Pachakaha. Koshtha is stomach. You know Koshtha word, how it is associated? In our Indian tradition, it is very popular that after lunch, you have to sleep for some time. Sleep means you have to rest, you have to lie down. And you have to lie down on your left side. So, because the stomach is on the left side, you know, right? It is called Jathara. That is how that word Jathara Agni has come. Jathara is on the left side. So, after lunch, you have to sleep on the left side. After dinner also, but they say dinner you should not eat very heavy. But lunch is heavy in Indian food. So, and that sleeping is called Vamakukshi. Vama means left. So you have to lie down on the left, so that food easily goes to the left side. Koshtha. Koshtagata Ushma. Ushman Shabda. Ushman means warm. that is the Agni, Ushma Rupa Anna Rasadinam Pachakah, of the warm nature and the digester of food, drinks, etc. This is the Aham Vaishwanaro Bhutva Praninam Dehamashritah. Bhagavan says, I am that Agni also. Etau Pranagni Agnishomau Chandra Suryaviti cha Yoga Shastra Prasiddhau. In Yoga Shastra, this Prana and Agni alone are called moon and the sun. They are known as Agnishomau or Chandra Suryau. Iti cha Yoga Shastra Prasiddhau. Tatra Pranaha Chandramaha Soma iti cha uchyate. Agni Surya. Prana is Chandrama, Agni is Surya. Etau cha Vakshyamana Ida Pingalayor Devate. And these two are the devatas of Ida and Pingala. So now you Sushumna will be later. So you have Kundalini. So first he talked about Mooladhara Chakra. Then in Mooladhara Chakra there is Kundalini. In this Kundalini there is power to move Prana and Agni. And this Prana and Agni are the presiding deity of Ida and Pingala, Nadis. Now what is Binduhu? Binduhu Avyakta Rupo. And this Tikakar also knows all these things. That is another, one may decide we will write Tika on Manasollasa, and then suddenly such topics come and you say, my teacher never taught me all these things. Here he knows everything. Binduhu Avyakta Rupo Dhvanyavastha Vishesha. It is Avastha Rup, Dhvani Avastha Vishesha, but it is unmanifest, Avyakta Rupa. So like there is some sound in the body in the unmanifest form. That is called Bindu. And Nada is Sarvavarana Sadharanaha Onkaro Ghoshatma. Yam Karnao Karnavapidhaya Shrunvanti. Karnau Apidhaya. If you close your ears, this Brahmari Pranayama they say. I don't know if you know all these pranayama. So if you do Brahmari Pranayama where you close your ears and then you close your nostrils, mouth, eyes, etc. And then they say you make sound from within, but if you don't make sound also, you hear Om inside. That is there. So this is called Nada. So you have Bindu and you have Nada. So Karnau Apidhaya Shrunvanti. Etesham Prasavaha Sancharaha. They move Prasava because Savitri means Prasavitri. So Prasava is not literally Utpatti, but here Prasava is Sanchara. Tat Kartri, that Sanchara Kartri Parashakti hi Deha Madhyasthita Kundalini ityartha. This is the Kundalini which is in the entire body. Sa prana ghoshavastham prapya varnatmana abhivyajyamana Saraswati iti uchyate. This is called Saraswati. Prana ghoshavastham prapya varnatmana abhivyajyamana. It is like making the sound in the form of manifestation of the letters. See, Varna are Nitya. According to Bhattamata, and we follow Bhattamata in Vyavahara. In Vyavaharik understanding, Vyavahare tu Bhattanaya. We say whatever Kumaril Bhatta has said in Vyavaharik life, we will agree. In most cases, we do. Like in grammar, whatever Paniniji has said, we will agree. Unless it is Chandasa Prayoga, Arsha Prayoga in Vedas. Everything else, Paniniji. So like that, we have accepted Mimamsaka. They say Varnas are Nitya. And Dhvani Abhivyakti takes place. The sound becomes manifest. Varna is always. So sound becomes manifest and unmanifest. The alphabets are there always. So Varnatmana Abhivyajyamana. This Ghosha is where Varnas become manifest. That is this Saraswati. Sa prana ghoshavastham prapya Varnatmana Abhivyajyamana Saraswati iti uchyate. So that is Saraswati, Kundalini. Evam vakshyamana mahanadi trayasya mooladharam sopaskaram dhyanaya upadishya idanim tato madhyanadi nirgamam upadishati mooladharagra konastha iti. So, Vakshyamana Mahanadi Traya. Now the three big nadis. So, Ida, Pingala and Sushumna. Mahanadi Trayasya Mooladharam. Mooladhara is where these three nadis are there. Sopaskaram. Sopaskaram means Upaskarena Saha. Upaskara means Adhyahara, superimposition. So, or adding in literal meaning. Here superimposition doesn't mean Vedanta superimposition. In English, whatever we understand as superimposition, that. Dhyanaya upadishya. So that is explained for the sake of dhyana, concentration. Here dhyana means I will have concentration. So that's why most of these Ashtanga Yoga practitioners, they don't have much knowledge of Ishvara and all. Because Yoga Sutras don't talk about it. But they meditate on these chakras and these mainly Mooladhara and up. And they have those Bija mantras that they meditate. Tato Madhya Nadi Nirgamam Upadishati. In the middle of that, this Nadi is also going from Mooladhara. How? So that is described now. Mooladharagra konastha Sushumna Brahmarandraga Mooler Chinna Vamshabha Shadadhara Samanvita Mooladharagra konastha Sushumna Brahmarandraga Mooler Chinna Vamshabha Shadadhara Samanvita. Mooladhara Agra Konastha. So, this Mooladhara is an inverted triangle, it was said. Right? Mooladhara Chakra, actually it is like an inverted triangle. In that inverted triangle, the lower portion is where Sushumna is. Mooladharagra. So, this is all Sukshma, okay? Doctors will not be able to find all this. This is not in Sthula Sharira. Only for location, etc., Sthula Sharira parts are described. So from there, the lower part of the triangle, it goes all the way up to Brahmarandra, Sushumna Nadi. Brahmarandra is all the way on top of the head, the crown of the head. So, Sushumna Nadi is there from the bottom all the way up to top. That's why they say when you sit for meditation, you have to sit straight. Or even for studies. when you are attending class. So when we sit straight, then this Sushumna Nadi is straight. So then it is easy for power to go up. If we are bent, then it has to take turns. Sushumna Brahmarandraga. So Brahmarandram gacchati iti Brahmarandraga. Mule ardha chinna vamshabha. So in the mula, it is like a bamboo. The whole nadi is like a bamboo cut in half. Ardha chinna vamsha. So this is like the shape of the nadi. This is all known in Yoga Shastra only. Because in Upanishad, we never saw any such thing. And this is not available to medical science also. So you have to know this through subtle vidya. Unless in some other scripture all this is noted, we don't know. I mean, I don't know. You all might know. I don't know. Our subject matter has not been this. We are Brahmatma Aikya is the Vishaya for us so far. So, Mule Ardhat Chinna Vamshabha Shadadhar Samanvita. And this Sushumna Nadi is the Adhar for Shat Chakra. These 6 chakras, they all are there residing in Sushumna. I mean, Sushumna passes through all 6 chakras. Starting from Mooladhara all the way up to Sahasradhara. What a wonderful arrangement Bhagavan has done. Tika. Mooladharasya hi konatraya muktam. Konatrayam, Mooladhara has 3 corners. Konatrayam. Tatra agrakonastha agrakonah adhakonah mukham. So agra means the tip. That tip is the below one. Adhakonah, that is the mukham, that is the face. Tatra sthita abhivyajya asthita jata iti avat. So there it is residing Sushumnakhya Nadi cha, and that is called Sushumna Nadi. Sa Brahmarandram Shira Kapala Chidram Tat Paryantam Gata. It goes all the way up to Shira Kapala. This is in Taittiriya Upanishad. There is one portion in Shikshavalli. No, not there. In Shikshavalli, where it is said that this nadi is there, it goes Tatogra Shirsha Kapale, like that. Okay, I will tell you. Saya Eshontarudaya Akashah Tasminnayam Purusho Manomayah Amruto Hiranmayah Antarena Taluke Ya Eshastana Iva Valambate Se Endra Yonihi Yatrasau Keshanto Vivartate Vyapohya Shirsha Kapale. It goes all the way up to Shirsha Kapala. So there it is said that from Hridaya, from the heart it is described, and it passes through the throat, and then this like there is the hanging portion in the throat, the reverse portion, it goes all the way up to Shirsha Kapala, Mooladhara. So that is here this it is reach that Shiraha Kapala word came, that's why I said. So Sushumnakhya Nadi cha sa Brahmarandram Shirah Kapala Chidram Tat Paryantam Gata Ekarupa Ati Dirgha. It is of the same nature and it is the big one. Ida Pinglas are smaller compared to Sushumna. This is the main nadi. Rujvi cha. Rujvi means it is straight. It doesn't go here, there. All the others are having bifurcations. Sushumna is the straight one, and this is the main one. Tasya yogi gamyam lakshanamah. And this Sushumna Nadi Lakshana, who knows, how do we know? It is yogi gamyam. Yogis know this. Mula iti. So Mula ardhichinna vamshavaha. Ardhachinna vamshavat avabhasamana mule sukshma randhra ityartha. So in the Mula, it is there ardhachinna, half cut, vamsha, the bamboo, like a bamboo cut in half. Now these 6 chakras are mentioned. Shadbhihi adharaihi uktastambhakaihi samanvita. These 6 adhara as a there chakra. So uttambhakaihi. Uttambhaka means literally it means they are the support, the knots. Like in a bamboo, you have all these knots in between. So they are like the supports places. Like that here also, these chakras, they are in the Sushumna Nadi in between. Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipuraka, Anahata, Vishuddha, Agnya. Sahasradhara is not mentioned because that is the Brahmarandra. So there is 7th. So these are 6 Shat chakras. Akhyehi adharaihi, they are the adhara, kramena of, in sequence, Chatush, Shad, Dasha, Dwadasha, Shodasha, Dvidada, Kamalamayehi. Chatush means 4, Shad 6, Dasha 10, Dwadasha 12, Shodasha 16, Dvidala 2, Kamala. So a lotus with 4 petals, 6 petals, 10 petals. Now these numbers, whatever they have given, they vary actually. Different people have given different numbers. Here Acharya has given. Some people give more numbers also. Kamalaihi, Mooladhara. So Mooladhara chakra is in Mooladhara. Then Linga, second one is in the Linga, genital organ. Nabhi, Hridaya, Kantha and Bhru Madhya. So Mooladhara will be in the Mooladhara. Swadhisthana will be in Linga. Manipuraka will be in Nabhi. Anahata in Hridaya. Vishuddha in Kantha. Agnya Chakra will be in Bhru Madhya. Bhru Madhya means between the eyebrows. So the locations. And 4, 6, 10, 12, 16 and 2. These are the lotus petals there. Now in this there are some, so obviously this is all new jnanam. There is some shloka. Mooladharat prathamamudito yastu bhavah parakhyah paschat pashyantyatha hridayago buddhi yugmadhyamakhyah vaktre vaikharyatha rurudishorasya jantoh sushumnabdastasmad bhavati pavanah prerito varnasanyah. Some shloka is given here in one of the tikas that I have, and in that in the Mooladhara, the Vayu, the Prana Vayu that is there, that alone manifests the Shabda Brahma in the body. So the Spandanam is there because of that. And then in the shloka, the Para, Pashyanti, Madhyama and Vaikhari, 4 types of Vani, they are also given for the manifestation of sound. Then there is some other shloka about this Prana, Agni, Bindu, etc. Satatva Sanya Chinmatra Jyotisha Sannidhe Sada Vichikirshur Ghanibhuta Kvachid Abhyeti Bindutam. When that becomes Ghanibhuta, then it attains the Binduta, means this sound aspect in the unmanifest form. Sukshma. Then this Gude, Medre, Cha, Nabhav, Cha, Hridaye, Kanthade, Shake. So see, the locations are given. Guda, Medra, Nabhi, Hridaya, Kantha, and Ghantikalam Vikasthane Bhrumadhye Parameshwaram. So Paramatma is there in this 6 chakra, and their numbers are also given. And then, so these Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, etc. are given. Their location, Guda, Upastha, Nabhi, Hridaya, Kantha, Bhrumadhya, how many lotuses with petals they are given, and then their nature is given. So Mooladhara is Tapta Suvarnabhram, like a heated gold. Then next is Swadhisthana Chakra is like Manikya. Then is Vidyut Prabha, Dhumra Varna, Shweta Varna and Mukta Varna. And their Bija mantras are given. Lam, Vam, Ram, Yam, Hum. Those who meditate on this. And they master the 5 elements and mind. So these 6 chakras are for mastery of Prithvi, Jala, Tej, Vayu, Akasha and Manaha. So there is a detailed science, and they have presiding deities like Saraswati is there in the first. So it is said Saraswati, Brahma and Ganesha, they are there in Mooladhara. Then Lakshmi, Vishnu in the next one. Shankara, Parvati. Then Uma, Maheshwara, Ardhanarishwara, and Jiva and Avidya in the Agnya Chakra. So between the eyebrows. So this says you meditate on that, But I do not have any other answer to any questions, okay? I am just telling you whatever I can read. Then about Ida Pingala, it is given, Idayam Sancharet Chandraha, Pingalayam Divakara. So Ida is the left side, and Chandrama is the presiding there, and Pingala is the right side, and Surya is presiding there, Divakara. Idacha Shankha Kundava. So this also probably you might know if in your family somebody told you some basic things about these things. It is said that when you are feeling cold, like if sometimes our one nostril is blocked and one nostril is open. So they tell if the right nostril is blocked, you sleep on the left side. And if the left nostril is blocked, then you sleep on right side. Then it will open. So this is how the body controls these. Because the body heat part increases, then one nostril becomes open, and cold part increases, then another nostril becomes open. So there is a science to all this. Or like when you are feverish a little and body temperature is up, then you should not sleep with Surya Nadi awakened. Already body is hot. Then you awaken Surya Nadi, it will become more hot. And if body is feeling cold and you sleep on the side where Chandra Nadi increases, like right side, that is wrong way of sleeping. So how to sleep, then after food, how to sleep, with empty stomach, how to sleep. So many rules are there. All that science is lost. Then people say we are half the time sick because of all this. And they say you should always drink warm water. Means it should be greater temperature than the outside temperature. Warm means room temperature, then that room temperature it should be warmer. That's how you should drink. And people want to drink cold drinks. Anyway, Sushumna Sannihitam Nadi Dvayam Aha. Now next to Sushumna, the other two nadis are there, Ida Pingala. That science is given. तत्पार्श्वकोणयोर्जाते द्वे इडा पिंगले स्थिते नाड़ी चक्रमिति प्राहुस् तस्मान्नाड्य समुद्गताः तत्पार्श्वकोणयोर्जाते द्वे इडा पिंगले स्थिते नाडी चक्रमिति प्राहुस्तस्मान्नाड्य समुद्गताः. तत्पार्श्वकोणयोः जाते द्वे इडा पिंगले स्थिते. So the bottom one, in the inverted triangle of Mooladhara, the bottom is where Sushumna is. Now the other two corners are there, left and right. The left one is Ida and the right one is where Pingala is there. So you have Ida and Pingala. Ida Pingale Sthite. That these three together is called Nadi Chakram. In that triangle, and all nadis, Tasmat Nadya Samudgataha. All nadis are starting from there. All others, Shatam cha eka hridayasya nadyaha. Hridayasya nadyaha. It is given in Kathopanishad and elsewhere also. How many? 72,000 some numbers are given. All those nadis are from this Nadi Chakra. I thought I will never study any of these things. At least some background has been given here. Tasyaha Sushumnayaha Parshvayoho Yau Dvau Konau. Of that Sushumna Nadi, the upper two corners which are there, Dvau Konau. Mooladharasya Trikonasya Dakshinottara Upari Bhagau. Dakshinottara Upari Bhagau. Of the triangle, the right and left. Dakshina means right. Uttara means Vama. Dakshinottara Upari Bhagau. Tayor Jate Nirgate Ida Pingale Nadya Usthite. There, Ida Pingala nadis are residing. Vama Parshe Ida. Left side is the Ida. Dakshina Parshve Pingala. Iti Uhyam. It should be thought in this way. So this Vama Parshva, Dakshina Parshva also you should know. Because in Kailash when they say which page, so they will not say right side, left side. They will say Dakshina Parshva, Vama Parshva. So if you are sitting in front rows, then you will hear Dakshina Parshva, Vama Parshva. If you are sitting at the back, you can just remain in samadhi only. वाम पार्श्वे इडा दक्षिण पार्श्वे पिंगलेति ऊह्यम एते च ललाट मूल पर्यंतम प्रसृते इति ज्ञ. They go all the way up to the other side of the lalat. Lalat means forehead actually. So up to the forehead portion they go, ida pingala. And shushumna, it is already said, it goes to brahmarandra. Uktam naditraya sannivesha lakshanam. These three nadis, their together lakshana is called nadi chakram. Who says ahu? Ahu ke yoga shastra vidaha. तस्मान् नाड्यो वक्ष्यमाणाः समुद्गताः विभक्ताः जायन्ते. From there all the separate nadis they are starting. And vakshamaणाः means they will be said. So more nadi description is going to come. एता एव नाडीः प्रधानतो नामभिर्निर्दिशति. Now these nadis more with the names are being described. गांधारी हस्ति जिह्वा च, नो, गांधारी हस्ति जिह्वा च नयनान्तं प्रधावतः नाडीचक्रेण संस्यूते नासिकान्तमुभे गते गांधारी हस्ति जिह्वा च नयनान्तं प्रधावतः नाडीचक्रेण संस्यूते नासिकान्तमुभे गते. While I was chanting, I suddenly went into Lalita Sahasranama tune, because all these names they remind of Lalita Sahasranama. Gandhari, Hasti Jivha, these are the names. Nayanantam Pradhavatah, they go up to the ears. Nadi Chakrena Samsyute, connected with the Nadi Chakra. Nasikantam Ubegate, and they come up to Nasika, up to nostrils. So, we'll just see Tika next time, and probably next class also mostly will be on this Nadi. After that, we'll be back to Vedanta. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavadvyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.